Hi guys, welcome to the Fbmfox modules. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to register for Fbmfox and give you a brief explanation of what the software does. So, to understand the software, you can visit the fbmfox.com website, or you can also find their YouTube channel, which goes over everything you need to know about the software. So essentially what Fbmfox is, it's simply a product listing software that allows you to list products on multiple platforms. So initially we started the software and it was focused on Facebook Shops and Marketplace, but eventually we moved on to allowing you to post products onto Walmart and onto eBay and Shopify and other platforms. So how do you make use of this software for TikTok? Well, we now have an integration for TikTok. So we'll show you how to register. It's very simple. If you go to the main fbmfox.com website, you will find a login or start free trial or get started for free button all over. Just hit get started for free and it'll take you to this page where you can go ahead and start that 7-day free trial for your account so you can rapidly list products to your TikTok shop and do all kinds of beautiful maintenance to your shop. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my information. Now, once you've entered in your information, you just want to hit sign up. And next, you want to verify your email. I have my inbox right here, and I can hit verify email address. Now, what I want you guys to make sure is sometimes it ends up in junk mail, and sometimes it ends up in spam. So if you don't see this email in your inbox, please find it in your junk or spam. But you want to hit verify email address and you will be presented with plans right here. With Fbmfox for TikTok, you'd have to go with one of these tiered plans. So TikTok has a direct integration with Fbmfox for the repricing and the bulk uploading and all of these things. So you'd have to choose a minimum of a $29 per month plan or a $49 per month plan. So you can pick how many products you'd like to list and you can upgrade at any time, and it's a prorated upgrade. So let's say you upgrade in the middle of the month, you will only be charged for how much you used. So basically feel free to upgrade according to your needs and select a plan that you think suits you best. Now, if you have a coupon code, you can go ahead and enter that. I'm going to leave it blank for this video, but you can enter it and check if it's valid. And I'm just going to go ahead and enter my credit card details and click on start your free trial. So I just went ahead and I used Google Pay to go ahead and pay for the software. And now we can see that it says thank you for your order. If you hit resources, you'll find a vast amount of videos on how to use the software. You'll find many videos about how to learn the software on the YouTube channel, and you can also continue playing around with the software that you have now to integrate TikTok with. So in the next videos, we're going to go over how to integrate TikTok with Fbmfox, how to upload a single product, many products, how to get your orders in here, and all that great stuff. So see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.